Part 2 of our shutter speed unit is going to be focused on long exposure photography. This is an exciting type of photography that can only be done by people who really know how to use their camera settings and have mastered shutter speed and how to change it. So long exposure photography is a type or style of photography. And why would you want to use this effect? And how would you create a long exposure photograph? What could a long exposure photograph be used for? These are some of the questions we're going to answer together in class. But long exposure photography is often used to blur something that is in motion. For example, running water in a river, or a firework exploding in the night sky, or emphasizing or accentuating downtown lights at night. Long exposure is when the shutter can be set to a few seconds to several minutes long. Taking long exposure photos in the evening, a tripod is a must. Oftentimes, using the timer on your camera or a remote is helpful as well. On some cameras, you can use your phone as the remote control. In order to achieve long exposure photographs during the day, it is often necessary to use a neutral density filter on the camera lens to help control the light. When less light enters the lens, the shutter speed needs to be longer to achieve this look. Your mission for this project is to research inspiration ideas, techniques, experiment, and turn in a series of 5 different long exposure photographs that you took. You might have to take many long exposure photographs to get 5 great ones. It's kind of tricky. It is up to you if you would like to edit your photographs in Photoshop or Lightroom, or just use them straight off the camera. When you're finished, turn your 5 photographs into Echo. Next, you'll be asked to present your 5 best photos to the class. In your presentation, share your resources for research and inspiration, and discuss the techniques that you used in your project. And finally, be sure and save your photos to Google Drive in order to save them for your portfolio. I can't wait to see your long exposure photo experiments. This is one of my favorite projects, and I hope it is for you too. Thanks for watching.